Patak mo muna, full stretch. Hindi, di ba yung ganito? Full stretch, then one. Yan. Workout down. Boss. Yun, day 2. Pauwi na kami guys. Post-workout meal. Chicken, egg, rice, ketchup. Uy. At silog. Smoke. Mango with coffee. Yes sir. Lastly, fried chicken, tsaka rice. Alright guys, that's it for today. So, pang day 22 na ng cutting pace natin. Lagay ko na ulit dito yung mga cross. Yan. See you again tomorrow. Rest day natin bukas. Peace.